Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we learnt about the day of Arafah. Watch till end.
Mom, why is everyone talking about Arafah Day?
Because, Beta, Arafah is one of the most special days in Islam. Allah always listens, but Arafah is a very special day of mercy. People make dua, read Quran.
Can kids make dua too?
Yes, my love. Your prayers are very special to Allah.
That evening, Zayd went outside to play football. He noticed an old man sitting quietly near the masjid.
Assalamu alaikum, uncle. Are you okay?
Today is Arafah Day. Because today, Allah forgives so many people.
Those words touched Zayd's heart.
Does Allah really forgive people on Arafah?
Allah's mercy is greater than we can imagine. The Prophet Adha said, fasting on Arafah removes sins.
For the first time, he felt something special. Before Fajr, Zayd woke up early. He made wudu quietly.
Ya Allah, I don't want to waste this day.
He tried to avoid fighting, lying, and wasting time. Instead of games, he made dua. He helped his little sister. He listened to Quran recitation.
Ya Allah, forgive me and guide me.
Tears rolled down his cheeks, but peace filled his heart.
Today, I learned that Arafah Day is not just another day. Arafah Day can change your heart.
Thanks for watching.